Hello everyone, this printer is Brother MFC-J5740DW. I'm going to show you how to copy document on this printer. Open glass scanner, stick the document you want to copy face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left side. You will see a green sticker on the left side. Then close the scanner glass. Then on the screen, select copy, select number of copies. So we want to copy this one. Then you select document size. What you have here is A4. You can scroll down to select any other document you have. You can see scroll down to select any other document. So what you have here is A4. Actual size is 100%. You can select fit to page or enlarge. It's currently 100%. Show you priority tray 1. So tray selection, you will select from tray 1, tray 2, and tray 3, etc. Then you go back. Then you select, this is gear copy setting. Select the quality, is normal. Document size A4. Tray select, auto select. Can scroll down, enlarge or reduce. Is currently 100%. Then select OK. Then you select monochrome if you want to copy black, or color if you want to copy color. And also you have ID copy or save a shortcut. So select want to copy this color. Select start. This is the document we copied, color. If you want to copy it black, then you select monochrome. This is document we copied black. If you want to copy with ADF, take the document, go to on top ADF. So this document is 2 pages, front and back. Now we want to copy it using ADF. Then you go to the setting, quality is normal, density, 2-sided copy, select 2-sided copy. 1 side to 2 side or 2-sided, then select OK, then select start. This is the document we copied and the original one is here. So if you select copy, scroll down. Now 2-sided, 1 to 2-sided, stick the document, 1-sided to 2-sided, then select OK, then select start. You can see, so only 1-sided is copied. So even if the document is 2-sided, so you can decide to copy only 1 side of it. So these are ways to copy document from this printer, and you can copy monochrome or color. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.